Welcome to my Choc chip bickies. Alright, so granddaughter for school, make some Choc chip bickies for a lunchbox. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is get 90 grams of butter out, chop it up, sit it in a bowl and let it get to room temperature. Once it's at room temperature, we want to preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We want to get out some cookie trays with some baking paper. Now into our medium bowl of butter, we want to put 1/3 of a cup of caster sugar, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we want to get our electric beater out and we want to beat it up until it's all nice and smooth and mixed in together good. Once we've got it all beaten in together, we want to add 1 egg and we want to beat it again just a little bit, just until it's all beaten in properly. Now we want to add 1/2 cup of self-raising flour, 3/4 of a cup of plain flour. Now we want to add 3/4 of a cup of Choc chips. I'm just using the black and gold ones. They're awesome. They're only like $1.50 a packet. Why wouldn't you? Kids love them. Or you can just, if you've only got the chocolate melts, just chop them all up to 3/4 of a cup. Now, next you can add 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, walnuts, dry roasted almonds, slivered almonds, any sort of nuts you want. But because I'm doing it for my granddaughter, instead of the 1/2 cup of nuts, I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of Choc chips. So it's one or the other. Last but not least, 1 tablespoon of milk. And now we want to mix it in really well. Alrighty, once we've mixed it in really well, we've got ourselves a nice bicky dough. Okay, get our tray. Then we get our normal spoons we'd have our brekkie and that with. We want to get a heaped one. And we just want to put them on there and leave them about at least 3 centimetres apart. Now we want to stick them in our oven up to 12 minutes until they're nice and lightly browned and firm. Alrighty, 11 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh, that's exactly how you want them to look. They're a tiny bit soft, but they're firm. Get your paper, slide them out. Leave them sit there to cool down. Put in your next batch.
Alright, yeah baby.
Alright, this lot took 14 minutes. I must have made them just a little bit bigger. See how they're just lightly browned on top and firm, but still like a little bit soft, but firm. Pull them off. Leave them there to go cold. They might not be the prettiest biggie in the shop, but they sure are the tastiest. Mate, there you have it. Just like that. Choc chip biggies. I'll tell you what, they're absolutely awesome for lunch boxes. Kids love them. Airtight container. They'll last you the week. If you're going to cook them for yourself, definitely whack some nuts in them. They're amazing with nuts as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll see you soon. Bye.